Have you ever been through a home renovation project? If you have, you understand the vital role clear communication plays in ensuring a successful renovation. Home renovations are no small feat, and communicating effectively with your renovation team can significantly ease the process and turn it into a more enjoyable journey. Establishing good communication with your Philadelphia home renovation team is necessary to ensure that your project is completed on time, within budget, and to your satisfaction. This helps everyone understand what needs to be done, helps avoid problems, and keeps things on track. It is also the key to making sure you will love the final result. To achieve effective communication, the most important step is choosing the right renovation contractor. Although you put a lot of effort into the choice, communication will not work if the contractor lacks certain key qualities. Therefore, we suggest you take your time, do not rush, and explore multiple options thoroughly. Choosing the right renovation contractor is not enough. You must be able to share your ideas clearly. Do not expect them to read your mind. When communicating with your Philadelphia home renovation team, visual aids can be the key to a successful and satisfying outcome. Use written descriptions, images, or even simple sketches to show the renovation team exactly what you have in mind. Embrace the experience and expertise of your renovation team. If they propose alternative design ideas or materials, take a moment to consider them before dismissing them outright. Keep in mind, you are most likely only going through a renovation once. While they have encountered numerous such projects, questions are bridges that help overcome confusion. Asking questions and getting answers paves the way to continued good communication. As you become more comfortable with the renovation process, you will find it easy to talk openly and honestly with the renovation team. A common misconception among homeowners is that once they hand over their renovation project to professionals, they can just return when it is done. But actually, it is really important to keep in touch with your renovation team. Staying connected to your renovation team helps streamline the entire renovation process. When planning your home renovation project, it is very important to set a clear budget. Discuss your budget with the renovation team and ask for their opinion. This way, they can plan around your budget and you can worry less about unexpected costs. Home renovations often span several months, so treating the renovation team like friends can make the journey smoother. Don't underestimate the importance of documentation. A well-drafted contract helps prevent misunderstandings and provides a reference point that keeps everyone on the same page throughout the renovation process. Throughout the exciting journey of renovating your Philadelphia home, remember that effective communication with your renovation team is the key to success. Renovations do not have to be complicated. They are an opportunity for positive change in your life. At Matrix Company Solutions Corp., we treat our clients like friends and family, creating a collaborative environment. If you need to renovate your Philadelphia home, do not hesitate to contact us via our free consultation service. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you next time.